Okay, so I just finished doing a generative expand over here. That turned out pretty good, pretty good. And so I selected the back or the subjects here, and I'm going to type in, I don't know if this will work. I'm just learning all of this new AI stuff, so I don't know its limitations. But I want to try and even out the highlights and shadows of their face. So it's just what I'm going to prompt and just see what happens. Okay, so even out skin tones, lower highlights, lift shadows. Sounds good. All right, here we go. Oh, that hurt. Oh my God. Oh. It gives you 3 options. So, oh God. Clearly. Oh man, clearly I need some help with my prompts. What is this? Okay, I guess we're gonna have to old school it, huh? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Undo. Oh my God. Hey, there you go. Oh God. Okay, people, I'm just gonna have to do it the hard way. Oh God, this is. I'm always finding fun stuff, so stay tuned. It's just crazy.